Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get Sepolia ETH Faucet for free even without getting 0.001 ETH in your crypto wallet. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how you can get this faucet. So what you just need to do is to make sure to watch this video to the end. Make sure to give it a like if it was helpful, and if you are new, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. So a lot of you have been trying to get Sepolia ETH Faucet, but due to you don't have the 0.001 minimum, you can't get Sepolia ETH Faucet. Well, I'm going to show you guys how you can get it for free without having the 0.001 ETH faucet. So I think that is like $2 or so. So you don't need it for you to get the Sepolia ETH faucet. So what you just need is your PC. Make sure you have a MetaMask wallet, because I'm going to use MetaMask. Or if you already have any supported EVM wallet, you can also use it as well. But I'm going to use MetaMask in this video. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video that is going to help you. So the link to the site, as you can see on the screen. So I'm going to use my PC in performing this. So for those of you that are going to use MetaMask, don't forget to always activate your testnet first. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. Always make sure to activate your testnet first. Okay, so we are going to click here, then click settings, then click advanced. Then you click advanced, so you're going to see show testnet network, then you activate it. Make sure to on it. So done, we have activated our testnet. So this is mainly for those of you that want to test a cryptocurrency product. So you have tested it, then later I'm going to show you guys how you can add the network to your wallet. So after that, you can see, all right, so you can see on network, you can see it here. Additional network, you can see it also. You can see custom network. So this is for the testnet phase. So you can see I've added different testnets. So if you bring it down, you're going to see Sepolia ETH. So now click on Sepolia. Okay, so you can see my current balance here, which is 0.665 Sepolia ETH. So this is mainly for testing cryptocurrency products. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can get Sepolia ETH. So now I'm going to click on my address, then make sure to visit this site. So I'm going to drop all the necessary link at the description of this video for those of you that want to get Sepolia ETH for testing cryptocurrency products. Or if you are a dev or so and you are looking for a way to get Sepolia ETH for free and you don't have the 0.001 ETH to use Akimi and the rest, so you can use this site as well. So you just paste the address here. After that, you click I am not a robot. Okay, so verify. Sometimes they are going to show you some tasks to perform, then you click confirm, then it's going to confirm for you. So now I'm going to click on start mining. All right guys, so after you click on start mining, it is going to bring you here. So you can see on the screen that I have started mining Sepolia ETH. So per 24 hours, I think, or per section, you have 11 hours 33 minutes, as you can see on the screen. So it's going to be reset every 24 hours. The minimum is 0.05 Sepolia ETH, while the maximum claim is 2.5 Sepolia ETH, as you can see on the screen. So this is the reward per hour based on your internet speed, I think. Then reward boost, if you want to boost, fine, but make sure you don't boost anything because we are not using money for this. So you can see I now have 0.016 Sepolia ETH. So the minimum claim is 0.05 Sepolia ETH. So I don't need to wait for it to reach 0.05, then I can claim, or if I want it to be above, then I can claim. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to claim at 0.05 point something SEP ETH for the purpose of this video. You can see your current hash rate here as well. So you're going to see your current hash rate here. So let's wait for it to be successful. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you can see stop mining and claim reward. So now I can stop the mining and claim the reward. And another thing you should know is that once you click on stop mining and claim the reward, it's going to like start all over again, but you still have like 11 hours 40 minutes to go per each section. But once you have reached this hour for the day, it's going to restart again. So that is how the faucets work. So you can use this site to also get other faucets as well. So in case you are mining, maybe process of mining, there was a disconnection. What you just need to do is to visit the site again. Now let me refresh this to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so you can see something like this. Okay, now let me go back like this and click on Sepolia Faucet again. So just make sure to visit the link again. So you're going to see something like this. Status running, continue mining, start new section. So what you all need to do is to just click on continue mining, then it's going to bring the as you can see on the screen. So you can see my current balance, which is 0.665 Sepolia ETH. Now I want to stop mining and claim to show you guys how it works. So now click on it, wallet, blah blah blah, and the rest. So I'm going to get 0.064 Sepolia ETH. So let's see, click claim. Okay, so queue position 0. The faucet is now being processed. The faucet is now processing your claim. You can close this page now. Your claim is queued and will be processed as soon as possible. All right, guys. So looking on the screen, done. So if you want to confirm it, you can just click on this link to take you to the Sepolia transaction hash. So you can see it here that it was successful to my wallet. Now looking at my wallet, you can see that my balance have increased. I've gotten 0.729 at the time of making this video. So you can see that it was successful. So I've gotten my faucet, guys. So this is how you can get Sepolia ETH faucet. For those of you that want to test some cryptocurrency testnet products, test some currency swaps and the rest, you can use Sepolia ETH faucet to do it. So this is going to help you in the long run. So if you know you don't have anything in your wallet, you can visit the site and get some Sepolia ETH faucet, even Husky faucet and the rest. And if you want to know how you can get BNB faucet as well, please make sure to check my videos. You are going to see how you can get BNB faucet as well. Alright guys, so this is how you can get Sepolia ETH faucets in your wallet, maximum Sepolia, maximum 2.5 ETH in your wallet. And I would love to hear from you if this was successful. And also make sure to give this video a like. If you're new to this channel and you want to get more cryptocurrency updates from me, make sure to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.